water on your farm?
We do. We are very fortunate.
Where does your water come from?
It comes from Clear Lake Reservoir via Cache Creek and the Winters Canal, and we have some 3 wells on the property that we use to drink, and we sometimes use the wells to water our crops, our orchards.
Okay, have you ever been affected by drought?
We have been affected by drought in that we're not allowed to draw as much water as we'd like from the canals and the creek.
How did you deal with it?
We simply didn't water, we didn't plant as ambitiously as we would have liked to because of the water restrictions. And maybe we didn't water as frequently as we would have liked to, which would reduce the quality of the end product, but what can you do? It was a drought.
On average, how much water do you use on the farm?
We use, oh man, I couldn't say. Do you want a number?
Yeah.
Okay, we use, I couldn't say. It depends on the day, it depends on the season. In the summer, we use a lot of water. In the winter, we don't use any water at all. Hardly any at all.
Okay, have you ever had any issues with the water supply or quality of water?
No, sometimes the water is really turbid and full of dirt, and so we have to filter it a lot, and even our filters will get gummed up so frequently that we can't filter enough water to do what we want to do. But in terms of the supply of water, not often and not very frequently at all. Sometimes during a drought we wouldn't be able to take as much as we like, as we said before. But
how does your water supply affect your ability to grow crops?
It doesn't limit us. What really limits us is the temperature of the soil and of the air. It's not so much our water supply that limits us. So.
Do you use any methods to conserve water?
Yeah, we use drip tape on about half of our irrigation. It's half of our irrigation method, and drip tape is really efficient because it puts the water under the soil, so none of it will be evaporated into the air before the plants have a chance to use it. And we also might cover our tomatoes with a plastic mulch, which keeps the moisture in so it doesn't evaporate out. And then we also try to funnel water from one location to another, so to know that it's going to flow downhill, and you can sometimes use water in 2 ways that way.